Hello, I'm Nadia McLeod from Emery Legal Kits, and we help businesses cut their legal costs with our online template kits. Anyone who exchanges time for money needs to get the most out of every working hour. Dealing with conflict or misunderstandings eats into your productivity and potentially damages your working relationships. The best way to reduce confusion and conflict is to be crystal clear about the scope of the project from the beginning. Approach the initial discussions with your client like a detective and identify what they really want, not just what they say they want. It may be tempting to skip this step because it's only a little job, or the client is in a hurry, or you just want to get stuck into the work, or insert your favourite excuse. But when you sit down with your prospective client and talk through their expectations and culture, it allows you to formulate a blueprint for the job that will make your performance more efficient. During your discussions, cover issues such as: what does the client expect? Who is making the decisions, and how does this affect your ability to deliver on outcomes? What are the deliverables? How does your work fit into the bigger picture? Once you have had these discussions, it is vital to put the agreed points into a written document so that you both have a document to refer to if things go pear-shaped. Ideally, these items will provide the basis of your consultant's agreement that both parties will authorise. A consultant's agreement formally establishes the relationship between you and your client. It removes any ambiguity regarding the nature and status of the consultancy relationship. Both parties know that the relationship exists, and the consulting agreement makes it formal and legal. The good news is that you don't have to spend a fortune in legal fees to obtain a professionally drafted consultant's agreement. You can use our Consulting Services Agreement Template Kit, and rest assured knowing that you're starting any new working relationship on a strong foundation. To learn more about our Consulting Service Agreement Kits, follow the links below.